Hello mga basyang, good morning. So for today's video, yes, ito-check natin yung mga wallpaper ng mga local teachers namin dito sa school. So let's go. Okay. Hi. Wallpaper check. Yeah. What is your wallpaper? Wallpaper in your phone. Black screen, wallpaper. Okay. Let's check first. Teacher Luna, wait. Wallpaper reveal.
I love the back, it's so beautiful.
Oh, the one. No wallpaper.
This one?
I'm lucky. Yeah. That one. Okay. Okay. Next is Teacher April. Teacher April, what is your wallpaper? Wallpaper?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a cartoon. Okay. Next, teacher. I forgot. Chloe? Yes, teacher Chloe. Okay, let me check your wallpaper. Wallpaper refill. They are our local teachers here. Okay. What's your wallpaper? Oh, it's a cat. Oh my god, I miss my Tiny and my Bunny. It's a cat. Yeah. Cat lovers also, teacher. Oh, same with me. Next, teacher. Chin. Yeah, teacher Chin. Okay, let's check teacher Chin's wallpaper. I'm disturbing them, but they're not angry. Oh, yeah. The famous Tanaka, yeah, that can brighten your skin, lighten your skin, and protect you to UV. Yes, the teacher April. The last one, teacher PC. Teacher PC. Okay, teacher PC, let me check your wallpaper. Okay, what's that? Oh, it's still a cartoon character, that one. So that's it for today. Yes, see you next time. Bye-bye.